Who did this to us? Tan shele fún wa. Now who do this kind of thing? Who take this thing to us? Ah, black man, anything no dey wear, anything no dey pure. See what Igbo people they do their own, they ghost man. Wọ́n ń ṣe tí wọ́n lókèrè. Ta ló fi lè ṣe wá? Báwo tí wá ṣe rí báyìí? Black man, you no fit do anything. Naija, Naija man, wetin? See Naija, you no fit do anything. Who did this to us? The best among us, who did this to us? Do you want to know the answer to that question? Omo Naija. I think I will pick, let me just, this thing I'm going to do is a project. It doesn't apply only to this section I'm going to select because it is the section I know more about. I've done more of my work on, my research, studying, listening. I'm going to pick, in short words, I'm going to pick the so-called Yòrúbá people. Who did this to us? Tan shele fún wa, tan fele ṣe wá, ṣé pé ló ń ṣe wá ni? Those questions, we want to know the answer to them. Can you handle the truth? Ṣé òótọ́ yẹn ṣé kò ní korò jù? Ṣé lè mú mi òótọ́ yẹn? Mi ayé lálá ni o. Ṣé lè mú mi òótọ́ yẹn? Ta ni Yorùbá? Ta ń fele ṣe wá? Tẹ́ bá mẹ́rin tẹ́ jẹ́, when you know who you are, is when you can answer that question, who did this to us? And when you know who did this to us, is when you will know the solution or what to do to the person that did whatever to you. Now, wọ́n ní ọjọ́ abárí bínibí ń wọlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn àgbà ló wí bẹ́ẹ̀. The elders say it is the day we know the evil, that we set sight on it. That day evil is going down. Who did this to us? Who are the Yòrúbá people? What is Yòrúbá your name? Is that true? Who is Yòrúbá? What's the meaning of Yòrúbá? Or what is your true name? Do you want to know? This one is season film or season series. So this one no be one time film where you could just sit down watch one time. It's a long thing, long matter. The bands don't go fixing this one finish. However, at the end of this, we will know exactly what the problem is. We will know what to do, to whom to do it, whether it's yourselves or another person or another being, you will know. For example, why is the Ooni of Ife going on a peace mission across the West African sub-region? What are his discussions with his fellow kings across the borders? Who are you? Where are you from? Where does the name Yòrúbá come from? Because a few months ago, there was a big problem. You were all jumping over each other, daggers drawn. Yòrúbá is a nonsense word and this and that. It is, and also your name truly is Yaribansa. It's the Hausas that named you Yaribansa. It's a very degrading word. You want to know the truth? There can be nothing further from the truth. Your true name is closer to that Yaribansa, whatever it is they said. But it's not Yaribansa anyway. Your true name is glorious. Your true heritage is glorious. You are one of the first civilizations to really bring true development and true education to the entire planet. We will go in depth into who you are. Who are the so-called Yòrúbá? What is your true name? Where and what is your origin? What is your heritage? You are called Omoluabi. Is it just because of good behavior? Nowadays you can say you don't have good behavior, so then you are not Omoluabi. No. Omoluabi does not pertain to just good behavior. It goes deeper than that. You are going to find out so much more about this. Tan shele fún wa.